Okay, amount is equal to 900. Define user. Okay, input amount. Return user. Okay. Bool fruit. Bool veggie. Bool fruit. So all this options about bool fruit, bool veggie, you have to take it again from the user. Okay. Acha, you. And how are you checking these two things are true to start with? And whenever you are taking user amount is equal to amount minus use. Amit, have you run this particular code? So the reason I have given you code like this is because that's an actual kind of requirement you will get when you work. Okay, by the book value. No, sir, I am phone. Okay, Amit, there are a few bugs out here. Okay, try finding it out. Okay, and try to get your laptop fixed as soon as possible. Without laptop, learning Python is like won't help you. Okay, so get this fixed. You have 2 3 days. Okay, borrow someone's else laptop. Okay, if you have something like an iPad or something, you can go to Collab and work there also. Okay, on phone Collab is a bit difficult, but borrow someone's laptop. Okay, that's the best thing I'll recommend. Quickly, everyone else just copy your whatever solutions you have. Okay, let's open this up. I tried greater than and less than, but it's not working. Okay, is there any function for between? Check, check, there is. Okay, but you can try with less than and greater than operation also. And you don't have to do and out here. I mean, you will have to, right? Yeah, yeah. It's between 150. Yeah. Sahil. Just copy to that notebook, na? Copy to one of your collab or that, we had one more link, right? Okay, defined by groceries, watermelon price, budget 900, total spend is if watermelon price is less than 110 and watermelon, and I will not buy watermelon at this price. So, okay. Acha, firstly, tell me, like for all those people who have written functions for this, do you think we need functions here? I mean, are we writing anything which is repeatable? Just to put it exactly in those words. So codecollab.io we had, right? Uh, Yesterday. Type in your codes here. Okay, first thing. So yes, I can't. And even for people who have written, like you will get the functionality, okay, but you won't be actually using it, making use of it, right? So although you can still think of few functions, but till now I haven't found anyone using it. Okay, so you can have a function which is similar to between. Okay, because every time there are two times you are finding things which are in between these values, right? So there you can use a function. Please share code collab link. Okay, wait, let this particular thing open up. So please make a bookmark of these things. Okay. Once you have copied the code, let me know. Okay. किसी को कोई हेल्प चाहिए तो बताओ जल्दी. ठीक है. So I'm writing the code quickly here. Okay. So let's check it through then. Okay. So what were the exact requirements? Okay, we had a 900 rupees budget, right? So we have something called budget, which is of 900 rupees. Okay. Now the thing we have to do is we have to buy groceries from it and buy groceries only if that particular value is being followed. Okay. And then the rest of the money I save. Okay. Cool. So I'll have something, a tracker, which is for my spend. Okay. And I'll keep on updating it. And then finally, whatever I have spent will be removed from the budget. Okay. And my spend should never exceed my budget. Right. Okay. So I go to the, so firstly, I'll have to decide whether I want to go to the, so, okay, sorry. Do you want to buy groceries? Okay. This should be your first question. Okay. So that's, let's say, our response one. Okay. That's the initial response. So whenever you are writing variables, okay, like I told you, there are two ways to write. One is separating by underscore. The other one is like I think Amit has written, and a lot of you have been writing this particular format. So always maintain this. I'm seeing Sahil, you have also written such format. Code collab not opening. Okay. I think there is some issue. Even I am not able to open it today. But okay. That's fine. Okay. Sahil, you can share me the notebook probably, or I'll create one more uh, code collab location. Okay. Let's go through the code once. Okay, and then try to wrap this up and move forward. Cool. Okay. So we got our initial response. Okay. The first piece will be your initial response should be correct, right? Correct as in it should be true. Then only I move on. Okay. Initial only you said that, okay, I don't want to go. Okay. Then it will be useless, right? So my initial response, whatever I get from here, and its lowered value should be yes. Okay. Or I could write something like y also. So if I have to write it yes and y, how can I write? Did anyone try in operator? Should I write like this or should I do if y in initial response dot lower? Okay, so Ajit has shared his code. Okay. अच्छा इस लाइन का alternative क्या होगा? Quickly if anyone can tell me. Like what I have done is I have written either y हो या yes हो. Is there any easier way? Quickly yes, no. Any response is good response. Okay. So let's say I have given this a, so the other way you can write is using a in operator. Okay. Now, once you have written it out, okay, the next thing that you will be checking is whether you want to buy fruits or not, right? Do you want to buy fruits? Okay. This is your fruits ka response. Similarly, you will have a response. I'm just creating it out now, but I'll be using it later, which is for your vegetables. So the key here was to understand the business requirement and ask relevant question. So as a data scientist or a data analyst, what you will be required to is you will be given problem statements which are very vague. Okay. You have to keep on asking questions to, understand the problem statement in a very good and precise form. Okay. So programming wise, you'll find this is easy, right? We are not just taking response and but what I wanted from you guys was you ask a lot of questions out here. Okay. So okay. This is for fruits. This is for veggies. Okay. Now if he wants to buy the fruit, okay, again he'll check. Now do you think what I'm repeating out here, every time I'm checking this particular thing, so can I create a function for this, right? So for people who have written big codes, okay, just see. Now since we are checking this again and again, okay, shouldn't we create a function for this? Okay. Now if this is response is yes, now I'll take a seller response. So what is the cost of food, right? Everyone with me till here, right? I'm taking it slowly so that you understand what's exactly working in the business. Take care. मतलब ये अगर सच बताऊं तो you will have an interview, you will be asked Fibonacci series, if someone doesn't know, Fibonacci series का कोड लिख के दिखा दो. Okay. एंड देर आर ऐसे फिबोनाची सीरीज हो गया, ऐसे बहुत सारे सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है, लाइक दे आर 10 to 20 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, विच आई विल एनीवे पास ऑन टू यू. ठीक है. इवन अगर कोई किसी को कोडिंग नहीं भी आती है, वो सिर्फ कोडिंग रट के भी चला जाता है ना ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में, he'll get through that interview. Okay, but once you are working, okay, you'll be faced with problem like this which are easy. Coding wise it will be easy, but business wise you will have to incorporate a lot of things. You have to make the code, you know, kind of easy to read, easy to use, easy to edit also. Okay. Now अगर ये हो गया तो मुझे सेलर का रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए. What is the cost of fruits? Now if seller response, okay, is greater than 1 and 10, now will it be greater than or greater than equal to? If you remember me saying, I said it should be between 110 and 150. Okay. Now, none of you asked me a question that whether 110 and 150 is inclusive or not, right? So that's the kind of question you have to ask. Okay, 110 and 150 inclusive or not? अब तुमने कोड बना दिया, ठीक है, लेट्स से सिबिल का स्कोर था, maybe Sibyl score is 7. Acha, for those who don't know Sibyl, Sibyl is like an automated score which tells your paying capability. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट मेंटेन करती है सिबिल स्कोर फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ अस. तो अगर मुझे कल को होम लोन अप्लाई करना है, सो दे विल चेक माय सिबिल स्कोर एंड देन गिव मी अ लोन. नाउ दे सेड 700 से ऊपर है किसी का, तो लेट्स से हम एचडीएफसी बैंक के पास गए एंड यू आर द people who have written a code for them, and they ask you, okay, if anyone's CIBIL score is greater than 700, okay, more than 700, give him the loan. Okay. Now there you didn't ask this question whether it's inclusive or exclusive, and let's say your system passes that loan and later on he kind of didn't pay off the loan. So with a small mistake you will have bigger implications. So that's why inclusive or exclusive is important. Okay. And whenever you are using these conditions, try to use as much as brackets you can. Okay. This will help your code to be, good looking, easy to understand again. Okay. If it is, then firstly, my spend. What will be my spend now? It will be seller response. What will be my budget now? Okay. It will be budget minus spend. Right. Now, I'll go to my, okay, I'll actually replicate all this. Now, in the code, did we ever say that if he buys fruit, don't buy veggies? No, right? We said both of them. That's why both of them will be in if block. Okay. अगर होता fruits ले लिया तो veggies मत लो, और veggies ले लिया तो fruit मत लो. So what would have we done is we would have written else out here or an if out here. But since हमें दोनों लेने हैं, ठीक है, तो सिंपल है, इसको वेज कर देते हैं and seller wedge response. What is the cost of wedge? Just to simplify it, okay. Spend will be my seller wedge response. Okay. Now this amount was between 400 to 500 or 500 to 600, right? I don't remember the exact value, whatever it is. Okay. Now you have got your fruit response, you have got your veggies response. Okay. And this thing we didn't check again. Okay. Then finally, whatever is left with you will be your budget, which is left, and things you have spent, and whatever is left is your savings. Okay, cool. Now, what I want you to guys to do is now tell me what are the scope of improvements in this particular code. Let's also try it out. Try running. Do you want to buy groceries? I say yes. Do you want to buy fruits? I say yes. What is the cost of fruit? Let's say it's 900. Okay. Now we got an error, right? Can anyone tell me this error and how can we solve this? Simple error. Okay. And all of you should be aware. Indexing. Uh, Not exactly indexing. So see read this error. Okay. Convert input to int. Exactly. So by default जो input function है, ठीक है, it will always give you a string response. Okay. So if you have to convert this, you have to convert it to your int value. Okay. So here there are two ways, like again, I can do explicit conversion. Okay. Similarly, I'll have to do for cost of veggies, right? Now, if this is, I'll also add one statement. Okay, buying, just to showcase that we are inside this particular loop. Okay, so this is yes, this is yes. What is the cost of fruit? Let's say this is 800. Now, can anyone tell me what is the error out here? Simple things. Okay, I want you to debug the code. Okay, understand the code, right? सिंपल मिस्टेक्स हैं, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं है, कोड को ध्यान से देखना है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन एंड टेल मी द एरर. एरर समझ में आया? फर्स्टली मैंने कॉस्ट ऑफ फ्रूट्स डाला 800 बट आई एम स्टिल बाइंग इट. एंड दिस विल बी योर पाइथन क्विज़ेस. सारे ऐसे होते हैं, राइट? यू विल बी गिवन अ क्वेश्चन, यू विल बी आस्क्ड लाइक दिस. Missing else statement? No. See, I'll tell you, give you a hint again. What is the cost of fruits? I typed it as 800 rupees. Okay, but I am still going to buy it. How can I buy it? Just focus on this particular thing where I am checking the amount. Everyone else focus on the screen. Okay. Uh, and a lot of people have kind of dropped off. Focus on the screens. See, yes, 800 is greater than both. Exactly. So what we have done out here is I've greater than 110 and greater than 150. Will this ever work? No, right? Okay. So there is still one error in the code. Okay. That. Okay. So now I want to buy groceries. I want to buy fruits. Good. What is the cost of fruits? Let's say this is 500. So I'm not buying it. What is the, so this is 550. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me how my spend is zero? Okay. Quickly, if anyone can tell. Simple था इसमें कुछ नहीं. Do you want to buy groceries? I wrote 550. Okay. And obviously that's not equal to yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is the cost of fruit? Let's say this is 110 only. Now do you want to buy groceries? I say yes. Now what's the cost? Now it's 550. Okay. Is this correct now? So my budget, which is okay. How? In the end, print statement is out of if loop. This one. This too is like the ending thing which I wanted to print. That should be fine. Acha, so let's look at this. My budget was totally 900. I bought 550 and 110, which is total 660. Now 660 minus 900 is 240, right? So budget which is left is correct. Hmm. Acha, is my spend correct? Forget budget. Spend is coming as 550. Can anyone tell me why? Okay, so what we are doing out here is we are assigning the spend value but not updating it. Okay, so it should always be spend plus this particular thing. Spend plus your this particular thing. Okay, now budget value has obviously changed. Okay, so what we can do is probably uh, hard code this that my budget was 900 only. Okay, this is the amount I spent, this is the budget, this is my savings actually. So this will be my savings. So this is my, and okay. Okay, so my budget was 900. I spent around 660. Now, is this value coming out to be correct? Which is nothing but what we did was budget minus spend. Do I need to do it again? Since I have already, okay, done the reduction, do I need to do it again? No, right? Whatever is left is left. So now it will make sense. Okay. Do you want to buy fruits? Yes, I want to buy fruits. Okay, sorry. I'll start from again. Yes, do you want to buy fruit? Yes. What's the cost? 1 out of 10. Do you want to buy veggies? Yes. What is the cost of veggies? 550. Now it is coming out to be correct. Or do you find any error still? Can anyone point me to the error? It should be 230. Yeah. So why is it coming like this? So budget tha, take है. Every time we did this, okay, we are doing nothing but just, removing this. Can you see some error in these two codes? This will give you an answer, just to give you a hint. This is the most boring topic, which is debugging the code. And whatever we were doing it right now, trying out different values. This is nothing but giving out test cases. Okay. So whenever you are writing your code, you test it with test cases. एंड जो भी हम कर रहे थे बार बार अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे थे एंड देख रहे थे कि कोड तो चल रहा है कोई एरर नहीं आ रहा राइट but is my logic logically, is it correct or not? So that's nothing but your टेस्ट केसेस. अब हमारा टेस्ट केस इसमें क्या था कि हमने 110 और 550 अगर मैं दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है, तो I should spend 660 and I should have a saving of 240, right? That was my use case, right? अब एक यूज केस था मेरा कि अगर मैंने इसको 300 दिया और इसको 550 दिया, तो मेरा बजट जो मतलब जो मेरी स्पेंडिंग है वो सिर्फ 550 होएगी, और जो रिमेनिंग आएगा वो 340, सॉरी 350 होएगा, right? So these are nothing but your test cases. Okay, so whenever you write code, you will test it with test cases. ठीक है, this is an important construct. I wanted to give you a practical, not understand and just show you. ठीक है, okay. So error is, हम बार बार ये स्पेंडिंग तो ऐड कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर, ठीक है, एंड देन आई एम इंक्रीजिंग माई बजट. तो इसमें क्या होगा, इस स्पेंड में पुरानी वाली वैल्यू भी होगी और नई वाली भी होगी. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ रिमूविंग spend, I should remove the value out here. Okay, cool. Everyone got it? What was the error, right? Now let's try it out. Is it correct now? Okay. Now we made a slight modification out here. Okay. Everyone with me till here, right? Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Now the next part, we change the question a bit. Okay. अब हम क्या करते हैं? Instead of giving them this particular range, I can tell him that, okay, fruits are so good for health. You can buy fruits up to 1000 rupees. मतलब fruit पे you don't have to, you should not think. Okay. But it should have some minimum value, but you should not think of the upper value. Okay. And similarly, veggies are again good. Okay. You should not think about kind of any value to it. Okay, you should not have a minimum, neither you should have any maximum. Okay, you have to buy the vegetable, so whatever prices, buy it. Okay, cool. Everyone understood the next response. Okay, I told, okay, the mother told the son कि fruits पे तो यार कुछ नहीं है, fruits are healthy, बस make sure कि they are not of bad quality, so buy anything which is above 110 rupees. And for vegetables, it could be cheaper also. Okay, so buy anything you want to buy in vegetables. Don't think of the minimum or the maximum amount. Okay, so we modified the code. Okay, now I want to buy groceries. Yes. Do you want to buy fruits? Yes. What is the cost of fruit? So let's say now I was being rich. Okay, I bought fruits worth of 500 bucks. Okay. Now, do you want to buy groceries? Yeah, vegetables. Yes, I want to buy. What is the cost of veggies? Okay, again, I spend it full amount. Now, is this thing possible in real world scenario? कि I am buying fruits 500 bucks, vegetables 500 bucks. Okay, and I only had 900 bucks in my pocket. No, right? So what you need to do out here is modify the code, and what you need to do is you have to check your budget. That's what happens ना. हम कुछ भी चीज खरीदते हैं, then हम अपनी pocket check करते हैं, right? Now this budget checking should ideally be there in your first code also. ठीक है? But you got to know only when you thought, if not this, you went ahead and thought कि ऐसा भी तो scenario हो सकता है. ठीक है? तो ये जो ऐसा तो सिनेरियो हो सकता है, दिस शुड बी देयर इन ऑल ऑफ योर कोड. ठीक है, जैसे अगर मैं तुम्हें बोलूं कि 2 + 3 निकालो, ठीक है, एड टू नंबर्स, एंड एक्चुअल में मैं तुम्हें दे रहा हूँ -2 -3, तो है ना, दिस इज समथिंग यू शुड चेक. तो तुम्हें ये लेना चाहिए कि जब भी यार यूजर से इनपुट लो, वो 0 से बढ़ा दो मुझे, तो ही मैं ऐड करूंगा. -2 -3 को ऐड करने का कुछ सेंस नहीं. इट कुड बी इन फ्यू सिनेरियो, इट कुड नॉट बी. So every time when you are writing a code, think about what if, what could be the other thing, right? Cool. ठीक है, तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना, बजट चेक करना है हर बार। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने चेक किया एंड यहाँ पे देखा बजट शुड बी greater than 0, right? That should be my first check. And budget should be greater than or equal to the seller response. Okay. इनफैक्ट अगर हम ये हटा भी दें, लेट्स अज्यूम कि ऑब्वियसली वो 0 रुपीज की तो नहीं देगा, बट एटलीस्ट इतना तो होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड सेम थिंग शुड बी हियर आल्सो. Now if we run, I want to buy groceries, I want to buy fruits, yes, मैंने 800 के, and we'll revisit this code again while we use loops. I'll tell you how. So do you want to buy veggies? Yes, I want to buy. What is the cost of veggies? 800 bucks. I can't buy. Right. Now, अच्छा, in real scenario, अब तुम्हारे पास 100 रुपए बचे थे. I could have still bought veggies which were of 100 rupees. उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ता? बार बार वेजिटेबल वेंडर से पूछना पड़ता कि 600 की नहीं, तू ऐसा कर 100 रुपए की दे दे, या 500 की दे दे, या 400 की दे दे. टिल द टाइम he either agrees to sell everything of 100 rupees, or else I cut off vegetables till 100. ठीक है. Now if I am doing something this repetitive, asking him again and again, मैं उससे बार बार पूछूंगा ना क्या कॉस्ट है, क्या कॉस्ट है, राइट? तो this is the place where I am iterating through same thing again and again and again, and this is the basis for using any of your loops. ठीक है, समझ आया यहाँ तक? कंस्ट्रक्ट समझ में आया लूप्स का? Anyone who is not through with the construct of loops, just quickly tell me. ठीक है, नहीं तो सारा टाइम वेस्ट है, इतना टाइम स्पेंड करके सिर्फ इस चीज पे आने के लिए, राइट? I'll just check one more thing. So जब भी हमें कोई एक सिंगल चीज है, ठीक है, let's say this was buying vegetables, ठीक है, and we have to revisit it again and again and again, ठीक है, मुझे बार बार ये करना है, तो दिस इज नथिंग बट योर लूप. ठीक है, लूप के लिए, ठीक है, we should always have something which is nothing but a iterable. iterable क्या है? कुछ नहीं, जो हम चीज बार बार कर सके. ठीक है, here I am asking him to reduce the price. अब मेरे पास क्या था इस पर्टिकुलर उसमें प्रॉब्लम में देखें, 900 रुपीज थे मेरे पास. ठीक है, मैंने 800 रुपीज की वेजिटेबल्स, सॉरी फ्रूट्स ले लिए थे. ठीक है, I was left with 100 bucks. Okay, he was selling me vegetables for 500 bucks, let's say. ठीक है, now अब इसको मैच करने के दो ही तरीके हैं. या तो मैं उससे लोन लेता, जो कि हम इस सिनेरियो में नहीं ले सकते, else I'll ask him कि ये 500 को यार मुझे डिस्काउंट दे. So he says चलो आप 300 में ले लो, but I still check my pocket, it's 100. Then he says चलो 200 के ले लो, I still check my pocket, 100. देन इवेंचुअली ही सेज कि मैं कुछ आइटम्स हटा रहा हूँ, आप ऐसा करो, ये आइटम आपके 100 रुपए के. देन अगेन चेक, ओके हाँ 100 रुपए तो मेरे पॉकेट में है. ओके, सो लेट मी नाउ एंड दिस एंड बाय. एवरीवन विद मी टिल हियर? किसी को कोई डाउट? जो ये रिपीटेटिव पैटर्न दिख रहा है ना, दिस इज नथिंग बट योर लूप. ठीक है, जब हम एक चीज को बार बार पूछ रहे हैं. ठीक है, कूल. अजित कोई डाउट इसमें? सिंस यू रोट नो. एवरीवन विद मी टिल हियर, राइट? तीन बहुत ही सिंपल तरह के लूप्स हैं हमारे पास. Okay, one is your for loop, one is your while loop, one is your do while loop. ठीक है, cool. फॉर लूप क्या होता है? कुछ सेट ऑफ थिंग्स के लिए हमें कुछ चीजें रिपीट करनी है. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इनफैक्ट 1 2 3 भी छोड़ो, कि बाय द वेजिटेबल्स 3 टाइम्स. ठीक है, तो कुछ नहीं है, मैं फॉर लूप में जाऊंगा, 3 बार उसको चलाता रहूं. ठीक है. वाइल में क्या होएगा जनरली, कि वाइल, अब मैं इस केस में ये हमारा उसमें कंसिडर रहेगा, जब तक मेरा बजट, या फिर जब तक वो, आई एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन इट हियर. तो वाइल का मतलब कुछ नहीं होता, जब तक. ठीक है, हिंदी में बोलूं तो. ठीक है, तो इस केस में अगर हम अपने बिजनेस सिनेरियो में देखें, जब तक वो 100 रुपए की वेजिटेबल्स नहीं देता, तब तक उससे पूछते रहो. तो मेरा क्या होएगा, यहाँ पे मैं एक वाइल लूप लिखूंगा. ठीक है, नॉट टेलिंग अबाउट द कोड. यहाँ पे लिखूंगा मैं कि कितने की देगा, फाइनल रेट बता, कितने का फाइनल रेट बता. राइट, यही करते हैं ना. और मैं उससे तब तक पूछ रहा हूँ, आई एम लाइक द डीट कस्टमर. ठीक है, कि जब तक वो मुझे 100 में नहीं देता ना. ठीक है, टिल ही सेज 100 रुपीज.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
टिल आई से 100 रुपीज आई कीप ऑन आस्किंग. ठीक है, दैट इज नथिंग बट माई वाइल लूप. जब तक वो 100 रुपए की रहेगा, मैं पूछता रहूंगा. ठीक है, दिस इज लाइक अ बेशरम कस्टमर. ठीक है. अब कुछ कस्टमर क्या होंगे यार, वो होंगे, चलो यार 100 का नहीं दे रहा, 200 का भी देता है तो मैं ले लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेंगे, वो डू वाले पार्ट में आ जाएंगे जब तक वो रेट कम करता है. ठीक है, तो इसमें द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कि हम ऑलरेडी कुछ ना कुछ चीजें ले चुके हैं. जैसे मैंने फ्रूट यहाँ पे ले लिए थे, कि चलो फ्रूट मैंने ले लिए. ठीक है, अब मैं चेक करता रहता हूँ. ठीक है, समझ में आया डू और वाइल, डू वाइल में कंपैरिजन. वाइल में क्या होता है, पहले कंडीशन चेक होएगी फिर ही हम कुछ लेंगे. डू वाइल में क्या होगा, पहले कुछ कर लेंगे और फिर कंडीशन चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, तो जैसे काफी लोग करते हैं ना, पहले ले लिए कुछ चीजें. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने मार्केट गया, मैंने बिना रेट उठाए. ओके, आई विल गिव यू मोर रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल. सो डू में मैंने लिखा पिकअप फ्रूट्स, पिकअप फ्रूट. ठीक है, अब मैंने चेक किया, अच्छा फ्रूट का प्राइस जो है वो हमारा 100 से नीचे होना चाहिए, या लेस देन इक्वल टू 100 होना चाहिए था. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इसमें हर बार मैं जाऊंगा, एक फ्रूट उठाऊंगा, उसके बाद देखूंगा प्राइस. ठीक है, दूसरे केस में क्या था, जब तक वो 100 से कम नहीं होगा तब तक मैं उठाऊंगा ही नहीं. एवरीवन देयर विद मी? ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ गया, तो इसके बाद विल टेक अ ब्रेक. ठीक है, लूप्स हमारे कवर हो चुके हैं. ठीक है, विल गो टू एक्चुअली यूजिंग देम. ठीक है, वाइल और डू वाइल में इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, किसी भी इंटरव्यू में चले जाओ. तो लेट्स से, सिंस तुम डेटा एनालिटिक्स में हो, ठीक है, एंड डेटा एनालिटिक्स में एक लैंग्वेज है सैस, वो भी बहुत यूज होती है. ठीक है, एसक्यूएल भी यूज होती है, सिंस यू हैव बीन डूइंग इट. ठीक है, आर भी यूज होती है, दैट यू विल डू. पाइथन भी यूज होती है. ठीक है, सब लैंग्वेजेस में तुम्हें मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे इसके एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. ठीक है, नॉट एसक्यूएल वैसे तो, बट ठीक है. नाउ इसके अंदर वाइल और डू वाइल, ये किसी भी प्रोग्रामिंग में ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता ही है. ठीक है, कि वाइल और डू वाइल में डिफरेंस बताओ. ठीक है, आकांक्ष बी स्पेसिफिक इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, क्या नहीं समझ में आया. ठीक है, और बाकियों को अगर समझ में आ गया तो दे कैन राइट यस, इफ नॉट नो. ओके, फाइन फाइन, आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन. सिंपल है, देखो, टू एक्सप्लेन आकांक्ष. ठीक है, डू वाइल में क्या है, डू, उसमें क्या है, पहले कुछ कर लो, डू समथिंग. ओके, एंड देन चेक. ठीक है। तो मैंने क्या किया, पहले मैं गया, मैंने लेट्स से एक्सबॉक्स उठा लिया। मुझे एक्सबॉक्स लेना था, मैंने एक्सबॉक्स कार्ट में ऐड करते हैं ना अमेजोन पे, जैसे किया तुमने प्राइस के बिना देखे यार, मैं सबसे पहले तो कार्ट में ऐड कर देता हूँ। आई एडेड इन माई कार्ट, देन आई चेक्ड, ओके this to is of 1 lakh rupees, my account balance is only let's say 10,000 rupees, so I can't buy. ठीक है। तो that is nothing but do while, you are doing something and then checking। ठीक है। then there will be other set of people, वो क्या करेंगे यार, उसने देखा Xbox जो है यार 1 लाख का है, मेरे अकाउंट में 10,000 है, तो वो जाएगा ही नहीं। ठीक है, वो पहले ही ये चेक कर लेगा। दैट इज नथिंग बट वाइल। ठीक है, जैसे उसमें था ना कि उसको हम जब तक बोल रहे थे, राइट, जब तक वो 100 रुपए से कम नहीं देगा मैं नहीं लूंगा। ठीक है। दूसरा क्या होता है, मैं ले लेता हूँ, मैं उठा लेता हूँ, फिर मैं देख रहा हूँ अच्छा ये तो 100 रुपए से महंगा है, तो मैं नहीं ले सकता। ठीक है। कूल। एवरीवन गुड विद इट। ठीक है। सी ये वाला जो टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग विच वी वर डूइंग, ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड रेप्लिकेटिंग बिजनेस लॉजिक्स। ठीक है, बिजनेस वाइज हम क्या लिख रहे हैं। ठीक है। और in such types of code you will have to be very much stick to the business requirement and not focus on the actual coding wise implementation. Okay, now in this particular thing, the next thing is you have to think of and tell me, is there something which you can drop from this code and make it reusable, like कहीं पे हम functions introduce करवा सकते हैं। Let's say ये हमारा valid था, तब this particular statement is also valid. So think about it. Okay, let's connect in 5 minutes. Okay, let's take a quick 5 minute break. ठीक है, fresh हो जाओ सारे। ठीक है। Now we'll be working a lot on the loops part, loops list। Okay, let's cover all of them so that for next 2 3 days you can practice a lot। Okay, okay, let's meet at 11:45। Okay.
particular loop will continue the execution till this condition is met. Okay, that's why we have firstly it will be checked and then this will be executed. ओके, तो जैसे यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ कि पहले ये टेस्ट हुआ, ठीक है, फॉल्स है तो निकल दो, नहीं है तो ये चलता रहे, एंड दिस होल थिंग दिस इज नथिंग बट योर होल लूप. ओके, while we are going from here to here. Okay, now this will be used when number of okay, this particular thing is true and false both. ठीक है, most of the times we will know कि हाँ कितनी बार चलाना है, ठीक है, but हाँ, in one way you can say that since it's based on a condition, so we can't exactly know कितने time पे ये चले, ठीक है. Very simple to write. For example, let's say what we are doing is we have we want to find sum of numbers till 10. Okay, so what we do is write a simple loop, okay, which will start from 1, okay, and continue till it is less than equal to 10. Okay, now what we do is we make variable assign किया हुआ sum which is nothing but 0, और 0 में एक एक करके values add होती जाएगी, ठीक है, and finally we will have the whole sum up. Okay, am I audible or not? Can you guys hear me now? Okay, just give me a second. Any improvements now? Hello. If not, let me know. I'll see what is the issue. Okay. Is it audible now? अगर अभी कुछ नहीं दे रहा तो